a magical journey of color and courage. In the quiet land of Lumina, where colors had vanished, a young girl named Aria dreamed of bringing them back. Once, Lumina was filled with vibrant colors, but the greedy Shadow King stole them all, leaving only sadness behind. One day, Aria discovered an old glowing paintbrush in her grandmother's attic. It whispered, "I can help you find the lost colors." "To restore the colors, you must follow the rainbow's trail," the paintbrush said. And so, Aria's journey began. Aria walked through the shadow forest where the air felt heavy and the trees whispered warnings. In the heart of the forest, Aria found a caged phoenix whose feathers glowed faintly. "Free me, and I will guide you," it said. Using the paintbrush, Aria painted light onto the cage, breaking it apart. The phoenix soared free, glowing brightly. Aria and the phoenix arrived at a dull, lifeless lake. Aria painted soft blue strokes and the water sparkled again, reflecting the bright sky. The phoenix perched on a rock, watching with glowing eyes. Next, they came to a vast field where flowers once bloomed. The empty field looked sad and gray. Aria painted red blossoms, and the ground bloomed with glowing poppies. The field turned bright and lively as the phoenix danced through the flowers. Aria and the phoenix reached a mountain range, but the once majestic peaks were dull and lifeless. Aria brushed golden light across their peaks, and they shimmered like treasures. The phoenix flew high, its cry echoing through the glowing hills. The next stop was a wide meadow. It was pale and silent. Aria painted yellow streaks, and dandelions and sunflowers burst into bloom. Warm sunlight filled the field as the phoenix hopped among the flowers, glowing softly. Aria and the phoenix entered a forest where the trees stood bare, their branches reaching out like skeletons. Aria painted green leaves and vines, and the trees came alive. Grass grew, animals peeked out, and the phoenix perched on a branch, glowing brightly. Aria and the phoenix climbed a hill to watch the sunset. The sunset sky was dull and gray. Aria painted purple streaks that blended with gold and orange. The sky glowed with color as the phoenix soared, leaving a trail of light. As Aria finished painting, a faint rainbow appeared in the distance. It was weak, but hopeful. With every color restored, the rainbow grew stronger, shining brighter in the sky. The Shadow King appeared, furious. "You cannot undo my work," he roared. With a bold stroke, Aria painted light into the darkness, and the Shadow King dissolved into mist. From that day on, Lumina never lost its colors again, thanks to Aria's courage and the magical paintbrush.